Webflow Tutorial for Beginners. Create a professional website. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to create a professional website using Webflow. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you can go to webflow.com and you will land right here. Webflow is a professional website builder that allows you to create your own website. You will be able to create websites for your blog. You can create your online store or your business website. How to create it? It's very easy. That's what I will cover in this tutorial. Once you get to Webflow, you can sign up for free or you can log in. So signing up process is really easy. You can sign up with your Google account or your email address. Once you sign up, then this is where you will get. You can see it gives us our own dashboard where we will have all of the websites that we're creating, and it also gives us the new site option. To create a brand new website, you're going to click on new site and it will take you to select a template. We have a lot of different templates on Webflow for different purposes. You can see we have a portfolio website, we have business starter websites, storefronts, then we have small business websites, photography websites. Some are free templates and some are paid templates. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and select this one right here, and it is going to be for a small business. So what you guys need to do is just select the website, or we can go with this one here. Select the website and it will open up the Webflow editor for you. This is a very easy editor that we get with Webflow. You will be able to find this panel right here, and we can add different blogs to it, different elements. Then we have our pages, we have our own store and other options. So first of all, this is the page that we got. This is the template that we had selected. Go to pages right here and it will show you the pages that you got with the template, and we can of course customize the pages on our website. To add a new page, click on new page right here, create a new page, and it will allow you to create a brand new page for your website. Similarly, we can duplicate pages here. We can also delete pages by clicking on this site icon, and it allows us to change our page that we already have. We have our parent folders that we can create. We can add links to a page. We can make a page public or private. These are going to be all the pages settings right here with the pages. You can see, select the page and then click on the settings and you will be able to duplicate it, delete it, or whatever you want to do with it. Similarly, to create a new page, as I told you, click right here. Then when the page is created, now you have to add different elements to it. So you're going to click on add elements. On Webflow, we can add columns, and we have like typography right here. Then we have our basics, we have media where we can upload image, video, or video from YouTube. We have button option given, header and footer. Then we have socials that we can add to Webflow. Then we have our components here. The components include sidebars, footer, and navigation. We can of course customize it from here. Then we have this option right here, which is the navigator again. So in navigation, it will show you the different navigation buttons and links that you have added to your website. This right here is CMS collection. Then we have our users. So this is going to be the permission and user settings. Then we have our store. So if you want to turn your website into a store, then you will click right here. This is going to be the media where you can upload your videos and pictures that you want to add, or the pictures or videos that are already on your website. And then we have our settings at the bottom. Again, we have few other settings. Whenever I select something from here, it will also give me a bunch of options here. We also have settings here and site style and design. This is going to be the style manager. So I gave you guys a quick tour around what's happening on Webflow. Now we have a page here. First, let's go ahead and edit the text. It says new port. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually change the text here. Let's call it my new test website. Now, this is the text I have added. Now I can, of course, change the font for the text or the style. So this is going to be the title. This is our navigation right here, and I can, of course, change it. Then we have our pictures here added. If I scroll down a little bit, this is our first page. It's a photography website that we have here. Let me show you how to add different elements to a website. You're going to click right here on the elements, and let's say that I want to add a text. Simple drag and drop. Drag the text and you're going to drop it right here. So it'll add a text block for you, and you will get all the settings here. To move something from, like for example, you want to change the alignment, to change the style, you will be working right here. You can see we have spacing, we have layout, size, everything, position. All of these settings will be found at this side of the screen once you select any of the elements. So I'm just gonna, click right here in the text block, and then we can customize it. Similarly, if you want to add an image, you're gonna scroll down a little bit and you can find the image option. You're gonna drag and drop it right here, and then the image section will be added. So you're going to click on choose image and upload an image from your computer. This is the upload option. We also have create a folder, or you can also select a media that you already have on your website. For example, I can go with maybe this image right here. So I'm going to add it and it will be added. Now we can of course change the size. It's pretty big. To change the size of any element, you can again work here as I showed you. We have size here, we have width and height. So I'm going to go with 100 by 100 for this one, and it will of course change the size. And now you can see it's pretty small, and I can maybe like increase the wrist a little bit. You can see, so I went with 400 by 400. This is how you customize the size of an image on Webflow. And now you can see it looks like this, and I can place it wherever I want it to be. For the spacing, you're going to move it according to this cursor here. Similarly, you can click on this elements again, add element, and now I can add a YouTube, a video, if I want to, a button. So you're gonna drag and drop the button right here and it will be added. Again, working with Webflow, actually a lot of people find it a little difficult, and they're like, okay, how to move different things. If you have added a button, how to move it to the center and everything. So it's really easy if you know how to use this. So let me actually quickly show you. We have layout. In layout, you will be able to find like the display. So we have the centered alignment, left or right alignment. In spacing, how it works is once you have selected any of the element, you can move it with this, the margins and the padding. Then we have a size that you can add. We have width and height, we have maximum width, we have overflow and fit option, and then we have our position here. In position, again, you can go with static or absolute or fixed. Then we have our typography here, backgrounds, borders, and effects. So this is where you will be working most of the time to adjust everything on your website, and then you will just add different elements from this panel here. Now go ahead and customize your website. This is how you create a website on Webflow. It's actually really easy. So this is my page right here, let's say, and I will customize all of the pages one by one. We have a home page, we have about page, and a blog page. And then I have some of the other pages such as our, privacy policy page and user page as well. Now my page setting is done. We have this page right here, and I can now get a preview of my website if I feel like, okay, the website is created. This is how you create a website very easily, and you can customize the website. For me, I have customized it already. I have some pages ready for you, and I wanted to show you this page right here. Once you have customized everything, you can get a preview of your website on a mobile view, and you will be getting a preview on your tablet. So we can just get it like this. You can see this is going to be the preview. Once you're done with the website, all you need to do is you're going to check the option, like you're going to click on save, and then we have publish right here. It says publish. You can select a custom domain in order to publish a website on Webflow. You can buy a domain if you want, or you can just go with not published. I'm going to go ahead and select a custom domain here. Then you're going to click on publish, and your website will be created. This is how you can create a professional website on Webflow, and you can customize it. It is a pretty good editor that you can work with, a very good builder that allows you to create a professional website and a very responsive website. You can add different apps to it as well. If you're running a store, you can switch your website into a store with this option right here. You can see a cart, and then you can add products and categories very easily. And this is how you will create a website, and this is how you use Webflow. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.